Alright, today we're going to teach you a little bit about power tools and the safety and how to use them.
Go.
Always keep a firm footing when using power tools. Make sure you're steady and balanced before starting the job.
Don't force the tool. Always use the right tool for the job. It will do the job better and safer.
Go.
Do not touch the drill bit, blade, cutter, or any of the workpiece after you use it. It may be hot and can burn you.
Go.
Keep bystanders, children, and visitors away when using power tools. Distractions can cause you to lose control.
Be sure the tool switch is off before plugging it in or plugging in the battery pack. Don't carry the tool with your finger on the switch.
Always wear the proper PPE when working with power tools. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses and, if it's necessary, hearing protection. Wear steel-toed boots anytime you're working with heavy power equipment. Make sure your work surface is stable and secure. When working with a drill, make sure to put the bit in the chuck and lock it in securely. Make sure that the direction of the drill is in the direction that you want it to be. Put the battery in and make sure it's secure. And finally, drive the screw home. Avoid baggy clothing. The spinning action of the drill can catch and tangle loose objects that you're wearing. Wear protective gear. Safety goggles are always a good idea. Secure your workpiece. You don't want what you're working on to move around. Properly set the drill bit. With a loose bit, your power drill won't make straight holes and could end up slipping and ruining your work. When using a miter saw, make sure to check the cord for any frayed or exposed wires. Plug it in and verify that the blade guard is working properly. Undo the safety on the saw, and when you're ready to saw, make sure the blade is spinning before you ever touch the wood. Never alter a guard or use a tool with a guard missing. Be sure all guards are in place and working properly before each use. Use sharp blades. Damaged or dull blades could throw teeth, causing serious injury. Set the saw securely on a flat, level surface. Safety glasses with side shields or a face shield should be worn. Don't wear loose-fitting clothing or jewelry and tie back long hair. When working with a circular saw, you again want to make sure that the cord has no frayed or exposed wires. Make sure the guard on the circular saw is intact, and make sure the wood that you're cutting is clamped or held in place firmly. Don't wear loose clothing or jewelry and keep long hair tied back. Keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to make a cut. Never cut a board in the middle that is only supported by two sawhorses on either side. Before you cut, set the depth of the saw to 1/8 of an inch thicker than the material. Never cut with a dull blade, and always unplug the saw before changing the blade.
Ready, go.
Whoa, stop, man. Don't ever use power tools when you're under the influence of alcohol or any other drug or medication.